Welcome friends. This is our Eclipse IDE for C and C++, which is the welcome screen. Now click on this button to go to the workbench. It will open up this window and this is our workbench. Now the preferences is set to C and C++. If it is not set to C and C++, click on this and select C and C++. Click OK. This will set the preferences to C and C++. Now let's set some settings and preferences to set up our environment for C and C++ development. Go to Windows and open up Preferences. In the Preferences, go to General and click on Workspace. Here in the Text and Encoding, click Other and select UTF-8. UTF-8 encoding is a standard encoding, so it will be good if you are sharing your files with someone who is working on a different platform. In New Text File Delimiter, go to Other and select Unix. Click on Apply. Now go to Editors and select Text Editors. In the text editor, check all these buttons and click Apply. We are done with the general. Now go to C and C++. Into C++, click on New CDT Project Wizard. Here, go to Executables and select Empty Project. Select min.gw gcc and click on this Make Toolchain Preferred. This arrow will come up here. Click on Apply. Now go to Editors and select Folding. Here, uncheck all these and check all these foldings. After being done, your configuration should exactly look like mine. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now on the Project Explorer, right-click and make a new project. Let's say a C++ project. Here, from Executable, select Empty Project. Make sure this min.gw gcc is selected. Give the project name whatever you like. I am giving work and click on Finish. Our project is created. Right click on our project and click on Properties. It will open up the properties. Then go to C++ Build and from there go to Settings. Here go to GCC C++ Compiler and go to Miscellaneous. Now this is very important. Type dash std is equal to C++ 11. Scroll down here, click Apply. Go to GCC C Compiler, go to Miscellaneous and type std is equal to GNU 11. Apply. Then go to Run Debug Settings, click on New, select C++ Application Click OK. In the arguments, I'm writing 1, 2, and 3. This is very important. Click on Apply and click on OK. Now click on Apply and OK. And this is it. We have successfully set up our environment for C and C++ development with Eclipse IDE. Thank you.